Recycling is an important initiative in Lexington. Our Division of Waste Management services around 89,000 homes in Lexington. And of course, we encourage you to recycle at work as well, which introduces us to our next segment. And that's our initiative on increasing recycling in the downtown area. With more information on that initiative, here is Skylar Warren with Bluegrass Green Source.
I'm Skylar Warren with Bluegrass Green Source. I'm an outreach specialist there, and I specifically work on downtown green initiatives among the businesses there. So our focus is a lot on recycling in downtown, and as part of that, we've developed, in conjunction with LFUCG, a pilot program at 4 area bars and restaurants where we're helping them develop comprehensive recycling programs. So we selected 4 restaurants here in the downtown area, and what we did is we went in first and we did a waste audit to kind of get an assessment of where they are right now with their recycling programs. And then we went in and we did an ergonomic analysis where we thoroughly examined exactly where their containers were, what their employees were doing, and we found ways that we could make it easier for them to participate in the recycling program. Depending on the success of this program, there's an opportunity to perhaps roll out a program like this to other Lexington businesses, particularly bars and restaurants, to really help them develop a comprehensive recycling program. Now, of course, we do offer a number of resources to area businesses outside of this pilot program. So, of course, you can contact us at Bluegrass Green Source and we'll help you get a recycling program going. This one is very focused on bars and restaurants because there's a unique set of issues and problems that arise with restaurants, especially with very busy times over the weekends. There were very minimal costs associated with this program. We basically did it under the current budget that we have to work on recycling in downtown. So it's a very cost-effective program for us, and I think it's actually a very cost-effective program for the businesses as well, because we've been able to demonstrate to them that with very little input from them, that they're able to adapt their recycling program to capture more materials.
So the City of Lexington is trying to move towards zero waste, meaning that we're trying to recycle as much stuff as possible to keep tons of things like glass and cans out of the landfill stream. And so we're doing this pilot project with 4 different bars and restaurants downtown, and we're focusing on kind of a 4-pronged approach. And so part of the pilot project is that we do a waste audit before. We kind of establish a baseline of where the businesses are as far as what they are recycling and what they aren't. And then another part of that is going in and training the staff and doing an ergonomic analysis to see how easy is it for staff to actually recycle, because during peak times it's very busy. And it's difficult to place containers where they sometimes are the most effective. And then part of the other thing is we have these coasters to raise awareness by the customers and the patrons. So these coasters talk about the Live Green Lexington pilot project, and they have a QR code on the coaster so that if you have a smartphone, you can actually scan that and it'll take you to the website. And then you're going to get a lot more information about the pilot project there. And so we really want to thank all of the businesses that have been part of this pilot project. They're taking great steps to move the City of Lexington toward a zero waste initiative, and we're very happy with that.